Usually in your bios, you can just add one link. Maybe even on WhatsApp, you want to share multiple links with someone, but you just want to give one link. So this problem can be solved by using Linktree. Let's see how to use Linktree. Let's sign up to Linktree. Here I'm adding the username which I wish here. Let's check. Since the username is available, so I have got this one. Enter your email address, or even you can sign up with mobile number. Now you have to create a password out here. Once you create the password, you can go ahead. Let's fill the things here. Here we are creating something for travel. So I'll just select some categories. As we want to go with the free plan, let's select free. And here we have completed the sign up process. To give you a demo of Linktree, let's see how it works. In my bio, I've added a link which is Linktree/the username. When I click on this link, you will see multiple options to download brochure, book a counseling, visit website, graduation. Maybe if I have a YouTube channel, I can put a YouTube channel, I can put Spotify, any links which you want to put, I have these here. So that's how we'll set up one. You can always see the preview of what you'll be generating. And you also have to verify. You have done the verification. And we should be good to go. Now let's see how to go ahead with this. Now here I want to add links. Let's add one for website. You can always name this here. Now if I go to title, I'm saying here visit website. And now here I have to add the URL. Copied the URL. And using this one. Go to URL and paste it. Now I want to add another link. See here. You can always push them up and down. Let's say I want the website to be on top here. Here I'm writing book a consultation. And here I want to add the URL as well. I'll add URL from my window since I have one, the one which I want to add here. I go to URL. I've copy pasted this URL here. Now if you see, I've added two links here. One is to visit a website and another one is to book a consultation. And you can definitely work on these to make the preview better. You can see in appearance, you will have bit colors to add. You can change the themes here. And all you have to do is publish and put that Linktree URL in your bio. So here you can add the logo. Here you can add a bit about bio as well. And you can find the themes. Here you can create your own. At least you can put something of your own. And when you upgrade, you have more options. And you can also see these. Here I want to take it in red. Then I can select red. You can check with free and paid options here. And now you need to click to the next and then you're done. choose a particular color which you feel would look good, and then you're done. Now when you click to share, here you have your Linktree. Take this link, share it on WhatsApp or on Instagram bio, Facebook, wherever.